If you're paying bills first every time you get paid, stop. You're doing it backwards. I'm not going to waste your time. In today's video, I'll show you the exact move you need to make before you pay a single bill so you stop staying broke, never worry about bills again, and finally build a system that makes your money work for you while you sleep. If you're looking for quick fixes or comfortable lies, this video isn't for you. This is for the few who are done being broke and ready to take full control of their money every time they get paid starting today. 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Are you one of them? The system is built to drain you, and if you don't do this fast, you're just a middleman between your job and your bills. Before you pay a single dollar to anyone, rent, credit cards, and subscriptions, you need to do this one thing. You don't have a spending problem. You have a sequence problem. It's not that you are overspending on luxury items or living outside your means. Sometimes, yes. But more often than not, you are following the wrong order when it comes to managing your finances. Here's what the average routine looks like for most people. Get paid, pay bills, buy stuff, realize you have nothing left, wait for next payday, repeat. It feels responsible, doesn't it? After all, you're taking care of bills and keeping your obligations in check. But here's the trap. You're putting everyone else first before yourself. Landlord, credit card company, Spotify. Everyone gets paid, except you, and you wonder why you never feel ahead. You work hard, your paycheck hits, but somehow you're still behind. Why? Because paying your bills first keeps you in a survival cycle. It traps you in a pattern where you're constantly reacting to life instead of planning ahead. That's not discipline. That's survival mode. Have you ever looked at your paycheck and just feel defeated? Like you work 40, 50, even 60 hours a week and still can't breathe. You're not out here buying Gucci bags or booking yacht parties. You're just trying to keep the lights on, feed your family, maybe treat yourself once in a while without guilt. But somehow, it still never feels like enough. And deep down, you start to wonder, am I doing something wrong? That quiet fear, that stress in your chest on the 15th of the month when the rent's due and the card's maxed. That's not just you. That's millions of Americans. And no one's talking about it. You're not crazy. You're not broken. You're just stuck in a system that's never been built with you in mind. Think about it. The entire financial industry, from advertising to the way products are structured, often subtly encourages spending before saving or investing. Credit card rewards incentivize swiping, and the constant barrage of buy now, pay later schemes normalizes debt. It's like swimming upstream if you're trying to prioritize your future self in this environment. But you have the power to change the current. You have the ability to rewrite your financial story. And here's what no one tells you. Wealth isn't built by what you earn. It's built by what you keep. And if you wait until after the bills to pay yourself, there's nothing left. The turning point comes when you flip the script. You pay yourself first. Every single time. Before the bills, before the rent, before anything. You take care of your future before you take care of the world. Here's how it works. Paying yourself first doesn't mean blowing your paycheck on luxuries. It doesn't mean being irresponsible with your finances. It means prioritizing your future and setting up a system where wealth building and financial security are automatic. Why? Because if you don't make your wealth building automatic, life will make spending automatic. You're letting life make the decisions, and it's usually not in your favor. The bills come in, the ads pop up, and before you know it, your paycheck is spent before you've even gotten to a savings or investment goal. Consider this. Every dollar you save and invest today has the potential to multiply over time thanks to the power of compounding. It's like planting a tiny seed that can grow into a mighty tree, providing shade and security for years to come. But if you spend that dollar today, its potential for future growth is lost. Paying yourself first is about nurturing those seeds of wealth. Here's exactly what to do the moment your paycheck hits. It takes 5 minutes. Do it before you pay a single bill. Step 1. Check your financial dashboard. What's in your checking? What's in savings? Any upcoming bills? Subscriptions? Any pending transactions? Checking your financial dashboard gives you the clarity you need to make smart decisions. It's like your financial weather forecast. You'll know if it's a sunny day or if you need to brace for a storm. Why it matters. Most people don't track, they react. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Set aside a fixed percentage, even if it's just 10%. Split it into 2 categories. Future. YU equals investments in ETF, Roth IRA, and crypto if you're advanced. And emergency fund in, high yield savings account. Automate it. The money should disappear from your checking before you're tempted to touch it. Even if it's only $20, do it. Because wealth isn't built by the amount, it's built by consistency. And making paying yourself automatic means you're showing up for yourself every paycheck. Imagine you set aside 10% of your paycheck automatically into your emergency fund and investment account. Over time, you might be putting aside $200, $500, or more. You've prioritized yourself. That money isn't up for debate. It's gone working for you. This small act of prioritizing yourself isn't just about the money. It's about building a sense of control and security. Knowing you're consistently building a financial safety net and investing in your future can significantly reduce stress and anxiety about money. It shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, even with small amounts. Step 3. Check and adjust your lifestyle cap. Now look at what's left. This is your real spending money, the amount you can actually enjoy without guilt. This amount should cover your bills, food, gas, and fun stuff. If it doesn't fit, shrink the lifestyle, not the wealth plan. Don't panic. If your lifestyle cap doesn't align with your income right now, it's time to make cuts. No shame in that. Maybe you cancel a subscription you barely use or reduce your restaurant budget for the month. You're growing, not restricting. This might require some tough choices, but think of it as pruning a plant to encourage healthier growth. Temporarily cutting back on non-essential spending allows your financial foundation to strengthen. It's a conscious decision to trade short-term gratification for long-term security and freedom. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. How to slice your paycheck like the wealthy do. Here's a simple breakdown anyone can follow. Adjust to your lifestyle, but use this as your North Star. 20% for investing and retirement. 20% for emergency like savings and sinking funds. 40% for rent, bills, and food. 20% for lifestyle, self-care, and gifts. Budgeting isn't about being cheap. It's about being conscious. If you build your wealth-building foundation, you don't have to cut out every ounce of fun. But you have to prioritize what matters. It's about aligning your spending with your values and your future goals. When you're conscious about where your money is going, you can make intentional choices that support the life you want to build. It's not about deprivation. It's about empowerment. Automation is your secret weapon. You don't need more willpower. You need fewer decisions. Set your bank to auto-transfer 20% to a savings account. Auto-invest into a low-cost ETF weekly. Auto-pay bills with auto-limit alerts. Build a system that protects you from you. We're all human. We have moments of weakness, impulsive desires, and emotional spending triggers. Building an automated system acts as a safeguard against these tendencies, ensuring that your wealth-building goals stay on track even when your willpower wavers. Because most financial mistakes don't come from ignorance. They come from stress, fatigue, and emotion. Let me tell you a story. 2 friends, same job, same salary. Chris pays bills first. Waits till the end of the month to see if anything's left. Usually there's nothing. Jessica does the exact strategy I shared in this video. Pays herself first. Automates savings. Caps lifestyle. Tracks her wealth percent. Fast forward 2 years. Chris is still stuck. Still stressed. Still swiping to survive. Jessica got $20,000 saved. A growing ETF portfolio. And peace of mind. Jessica's story isn't a fairy tale. It's the logical outcome of prioritizing herself financially. It demonstrates that even with the same starting point, a simple shift in sequence can lead to dramatically different results. So, what will your story be? Will you continue to be a middleman between your job and your bills, constantly feeling like you're just treading water? Or will you take control, flip the script, and start paying yourself first? The power to build a more secure and abundant future lies in your hands. It starts with that simple act of prioritizing yourself with every paycheck. Take those 5 minutes, set up your system, and begin building the financial freedom you deserve. This isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind, control, and creating a future where you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. It's about building wealth, one intentional step at a time. Start today. Future. You will thank you, and make sure to share this video. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps the channel to grow. See you in the next one.